common errors in the simple past tense. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another useful English learning session. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most important and commonly used tenses in English, common errors in the simple past tense. Whether you're a beginner or someone who wants to refresh the basics, this video is going to help you. Part 1. Quick recap of simple past. Before we dive into the errors, let's quickly revise the simple past tense. It is used to talk about actions that happened in the past. The structure is subject plus past form of verb plus object. She visited her grandma yesterday. We watched a movie last night. For regular verbs, we usually add ed. For irregular verbs, the past form is different. E.g., go, went, eat, ate. Part 2. Common error. 1. Using present instead of past. Incorrect. Yesterday I go to school. Correct. Yesterday I went to school. Explanation. Yesterday indicates a past action, so the verb must be in the past form. Go is present. Went is the past form. Part 3. Common error. Using did with past verb. Incorrect. Did you went to the market? Correct. Did you go to the market? Explanation. After did, always use the base form of the verb. Did already shows the past. Part 4. Common error. 3. Forgetting the id ending. Incorrect. He walked to the station in the morning. Correct. He walked to the station in the morning. Explanation. For regular verbs in the past, add ed to the base verb. Part 5. Common error. 4. Using was, were with action verbs. Incorrect. She was go to the temple. Correct. She went to the temple. Explanation. Don't use was, were with action verbs in simple past. Just use the past form of the verb directly. Part 6. Common error. 5. Confusion with irregular verbs. Incorrect. They eated all the chocolates. Correct. They ate all the chocolates. Explanation. Eat is an irregular verb. The past form is ate, not eated. Other examples: buy, bought, take, took, run, ran. Part 7. Common error 6. Using two past tense markers. Incorrect. I didn't went to school. Correct. I didn't go to school. Explanation. Just like with did, even in negative sentences, the main verb stays in the base form. Didn't already marks the past. Part 8. Common error. 7. Mixing tenses in a sentence. Incorrect. He came home and eats dinner. Correct. He came home and ate dinner. Explanation. When describing a series of past actions, all verbs should be in the past tense. Part 9. Summary of errors. Let's quickly review what we learned. 1. Use past forms, not present. 2. Use the base verb after did or didn't. 3. Don't forget ed for regular verbs. 4. Don't use was, were before action verbs. 5. Learn irregular verbs properly. 6. Don't double mark the past. 7. Keep tense consistent in a sentence. Part 10. Practice activity. Time to practice. Correct these sentences in the comments. 1. Did he visited the zoo? 2. They doesn't like the food. 3. I was finished my homework. 4. He take the book from the shelf. 5. She come late yesterday. I'll check your answers in the comments, so don't forget to participate. That's it for today's video on common errors in the simple past tense. Mistakes are natural, but what matters is learning from them. Keep practicing, and you'll see a big improvement in your speaking and writing. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and effective English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep improving.